So we got the RX 5500 XT GPU in that bitch just installed. You feel me? This the one I took out. This the one I took out of this PC. Finna install it in this PC type shit. And this look at this little ass GPU. This bitch ain't doing shit. Little ass GPU. Look at it. Look at it. That damn, this bitch the size of one fan. That shit is crazy, man. God damn. But I'm just finna find the pins so I can install this GPU type shit. This was my very first PC, and now I'm upgrading my baby like I said I would. Yes, baby. Word, not see. I ain't gonna lie. Now that right there, that processor. I got a processor on the way to come upgrade her. But yeah, tight shit.